Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. I'm diving into different content here and on my Instagram. I want to create things that are based on our conversations. Recently I've gotten questions on the type of fabric and embellishments that I use and where do I get them from. Do purchase from US based Etsy shops and the LA fashion district. The majority I purchased in Mexico to support locals' handmade crafts, to keep my products authentic, and to have a variety of patterns and colors. I decided to share my supplies with you all, and so I created 3 colorful bundles of my favorite textiles, as well as snippets of some of my favorite trims, laces, and floral embellishments that I've been using to make my recent junk journals. You can use them to create junk journal covers, pockets, flip outs. The ideas are endless. These pieces will make your work stand out and bring you so much joy when you flip through your final work of art. All 3 bundles share the same fabrics and snippets of ribbon, but they do differ in some of the embellishments, such as these. I cut these out from scraps of a Frida fabric that I only had a very small amount of. One of my favorite elements of these bundles are these embroidered patches. I cut these out from Mexican linens. These are the patches I love to use as focal points on my journal covers. And you guys, I couldn't wait to show you the unique embroidered tassel that each bundle will be getting, as well as 2 baggies filled with an assortment of charms. Here are the other tassels. We have a green cross with embroidered red florals and a gold tassel, and this gorgeous Frida with her flower crown and a bright orange tassel. And we will talk about these cute charms in a bit. Because first, let me tell you, you will be getting a beautiful ephemera package included with your fabric bundle. The ephemera includes all the journal pages from my best-selling printable kit, Vintage Latin America, and I collaged some of the kit's ephemera pieces so that you can use them as floating pockets, as page extenders, or journaling cards, and so many other ways that can be incorporated in your journals. Here is a closer look at one of the ephemera packs.
Chorando por uma nova ferida, mas como até que de um mato nasce uma flor. Muitas vezes é da dor que vem o amor. Eu que pensava que era um engano, seus olhos de luz e vejo um anjo. Esqueci dos tropeços, esqueci das caídas em noites perdidas. Vou encontrar o meu lar. Foi do seu sorriso paz, alguém que preciso pra não olhar mais pra trás. Foi do seu.
Of course, I had to include the charms I used to adorn my journal spine. These cute tacitas de barro mini clay mugs make the perfect dangles and final touches to your journal covers, and you can use these as the dangles on the spine of a journal or as charms that you can pin to your fabric tabs on your journal pages. All 3 bundles are available on my Etsy shop right now. I have left the link below. These bundles are the perfect self-gift, a way to honor your space and time to be in the present moment when creating your own journal. They're also the perfect gift for the crafty women in your life. Romantic florals and feminine illustrations can also help you create a wedding guest book or even a wedding planner with this bundle. The possibilities are truly endless. I hope you guys enjoyed these mega bundles and let me know what you're interested in seeing next. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time. Bye.